Yeah, it could, Lauren. As it stands right now, incumbent Democrat Allison Riggs narrowly defeated Republican Jefferson Griffin by just over 700 votes. That was confirmed by multiple recounts, but in response to that, Griffin challenged those 65,000 voters from across the state, and this has been through multiple levels of court. This latest ruling coming from a three-judge panel on the Court of Appeals in a 2-to-1 partisan decision siding with Griffin in his case. So what does that mean? In siding with Griffin's argument, essentially if that ruling were to stand, those 65,000 voters from around North Carolina who have had their votes challenged would have to show proof of their identity or potentially have their votes thrown out. Now, because of the legal challenges, this remains right now the only uncalled race left from 2024 in the entire country. Now, again, that ruling in that three-judge panel going along party lines in a 2-to-1 vote with two Republican judges ruling in Griffin's favor. Meanwhile, the NCGOP praising that decision, saying, quote, "For months, Judge Griffin and the NCGOP have endured baseless attacks and incendiary rhetoric in this matter. Throughout this time, our position has been consistent. When the debate is about the merits, Judge Griffin will prevail in his election integrity concerns." Meanwhile, though, Democrats criticizing the ruling, emphasizing the fact that, again, multiple recounts had confirmed that Riggs won the election. Riggs saying she now plans to fight the decision. We just got a statement from her saying, quote, "We will be promptly appealing this deeply misinformed decision that threatens to disenfranchise more than 65,000 lawful voters and sets a dangerous precedent, allowing disappointed politicians to thwart the will of the people." So this is not the last step in the process. As we just mentioned, Riggs planning to appeal that decision. So that means it would go to the state Supreme Court, where, of course, Riggs is also a member. She has already said she will recuse herself from that case, meaning that of the 6 justices left, 5 are Republicans and 1 a Democrat that will hear that case. From there, it could end up in federal court before this is all over. So in the meantime, no immediate need for those 65,000 voters to have to show their ID yet. But if the ruling stands, that would be the case. If those votes were called into question, if that were to happen, there would be a time window for those voters to try and have their votes to be counted. Reporting live, Tom George, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.